We have Cynful Asian green beans today. We're going to start out by making the sauce. We're using some soy sauce, some rice wine vinegar, a little bit of sugar. We're going to mince up some garlic and put that in there. So just take and mince your garlic real quick. I usually try to do this beforehand, but I must have forgot. Add that to the sauce. And some ginger. And we're going to stir all that up, get it all combined, and then just set it aside. Next, we're going to go ahead and top and tail our beans. Basically, take the tops and the bottoms off. Just like that. Alright, so we're going to put our pan on a medium-high, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of roasted sesame oil. And then the green beans. Just stir those around. They're going to turn bright green. You want to get them to the point where they're almost to where you want them before you put the sauce on. So test them to make sure they're tender, almost to where you want them in tenderness. Add the sauce and stir it around. And once the sauce reduces and coats the beans, it's done. Just like that. These are just like the green beans that you get at the Chinese buffets. You can make them now at home, now that you have the recipe. Now you want them tender, but with a little bit of snap. And that's all there is to it. Very quick and easy. Do you have a link to a printable PDF file in the description? That's for the recipe. But here's your recipe anyway. I'd like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And y'all have a wonderful evening.